What's going on, guys? In this video I'll be showing you how to create a simple list view for Android Studio. So right here I just created a brand new project. It is a blank project, and we'll start off by going to the activity main XML file, and we'll delete this text view right here. Then we'll change this to linear layout, and then we'll go over to design and come down here to list view and drag it over here, and then we'll go back over to the text edit and we'll give it an ID, and we'll name this list view, and everything right there looks good. And then we'll go over to the main activity. We need to add a few things here. First thing, we need to make a variable for our list reference. So we go private and then list view, and we'll just name it LV for list view. And also we need to create an array adapter, and this array adapter will be what basically does all the heavy lifting to fill in a list view. So just go array adapter, and it's make it take the type of a string, and we'll name it adapter. And also we need an array list, and this will be the items that will be going into the list itself. So we'll go array list. Actually, we'll make this private, and then array list. This will be type string, and we'll name it heroes. We'll do a superhero theme for this one, and then make it equal new array list, and then close it off. So in here we will add some items to the list. So you would go heroes dot add, and then we'll just add a string. We'll say Spider-Man, and I will just copy and paste this like 9 more times, then get right back to you. Okay, and now you can just pause it and add whatever you want into it. So next we got to grab the reference to our list view, equals find view by ID, r.id, list view. Then underneath this we will declare a new adapter, and then inside this we got to pass in a few items. You got to pass in the context, and then the actual row layout. And what Android Studio does, it supplies like a simple one, and they actually call it simple list item, I believe. So to get to that, we'll go android.r.layout and simple list item 1, and I will show you another way right after we complete this and run it. This is probably the most simple way of adding items to list view. And then right here we just go lv.set adapter, and then pass in the adapter. So right there you have it. We'll run it, and there you go. Everything is in the list that we added right here. So I will go one step further and show you how to create a row class or a row layout. So first thing, you need to create an actual layout, XML layout here. So we'll go to app, then resource, then layout, and then new, and then layout resource file. And we'll just name this row, and we'll make it a linear layout. Hit OK. We will just give it a text view, and we'll name it just name TV, and that should be all that's needed. Actually, you know what? This goes up here, but it's fine. We can keep it right there. Let's check it out over here. Name TV, name, it's fine. Okay, let's go back to the main activity, and then we'll just comment out this. And right underneath it, we'll add our one that we just created. So we'll have to basically create this whole thing over again. Equals new array adapter, and then we'll pass in the same, which is this, but the layout, and it's asking, we will pass in the r.layout.row that we just created. And we'll also need to pass in the reference to the text view that we made in that layout. So we go r.id.nameTV, and we also need to pass in the array list. So we'll go heroes and close that off. So right there. So let's go ahead and run, and there you have it. See, it's a little bit different looking. Let me show you a side-by-side comparison of. So here they are side by side, and this one is actually screencast from my Samsung phone, and this is just an emulator. And yeah, they're just set up different. I just kind of threw in the text here. They have a little bit of padding around it. So, but yeah, by far this one is the easiest because you don't have to create an XML layout file and then, do all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you're better off if you just have one item that you're putting in to the layout file. You'd probably want to just go with a simple list item right here, that first option that we did. I just wanted to show you both options though. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.